Welcome to your step-by-step guide to the video production process, designed especially for crypto brokers looking to educate, engage, and establish lasting trust. Step 1. Pre-production planning. Every great video starts with a plan. Define your objectives. Are you here to educate, promote, or captivate? Know your audience, whether they're beginner traders, institutional investors, or affiliate partners. And most importantly, pinpoint your core message. What do you want your viewers to remember? Next, script writing and storyboarding. Start strong. Hook your audience in the first 5 seconds. Then, walk them through your message using clear visuals and animations. Wrap it up with a compelling CTA. Get them to sign up, explore your platform, or visit your website. Step 2. Production. Now, it's time to roll the camera. Set up your equipment for professional-grade quality, HD or 4K cameras, crisp microphones, soft lighting, and a clean, branded backdrop. While recording, clarity is key. Speak clearly, pace yourself, and engage viewers with natural gestures and dynamic visuals. Don't shy away from multiple takes. A seamless final product is worth it. Step 3. Post-production editing. Editing is where the magic happens. Trim the excess, highlight key points with graphics, and simplify complex topics using animations. Add subtle background music to keep your viewers hooked. Reinforce your brand identity with a logo watermark, a custom intro and outro, and consistent brand colors and fonts. These little touches leave a lasting impact. Step 4. Optimization and publishing. A great video deserves great exposure. Optimize titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Add subtitles for accessibility. Design a thumbnail that demands attention and format your video for each platform. Then, distribute wisely. Post snippets on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Embed full videos in email campaigns. And supercharge reach with paid ads targeted at brokers and traders. Step 5. Performance analysis. Don't stop at publishing. Measure performance. Track views, watch time, engagement, click-through rates, and conversions. These metrics tell you what's working and what needs tweaking. Experiment with A/B testing. Listen to user feedback and keep refining. Update and repurpose your best content to keep it fresh and impactful. From concept to promotion, every step in the video production process plays a vital role. With the right strategy and tools, crypto brokers like you can create powerful videos that drive engagement, boost brand trust, and grow your business. Let your video content do the talking and make every second count.